Mike and Lily, Century 21. We noticed that you're selling your home yourself.
Believe me, I understand. I could do everything myself as well, much to her frustrations.
I get it. Mike hates paying somebody to do something that he knows he can do himself.
However, sometimes it's helpful to hire a professional that you trust to prevent potential legal problems and future liabilities.
Are you familiar with the 8 sections of Arizona's purchase contract? Do you have your property disclosures in order? And do you think that you and a buyer are going to get through inspections? Statistics prove that when you sell your home with the assistance of a professional, you net more money in your pocket.
Over 98% of real estate is sold with the aid of agents. Are you willing to pay the buyer's agent to look out for them? How about hiring a professional to look out for your best interest and also maximizing your home's exposure?
Maybe you've had a bad experience, and with over 40,000 licensees, that's no surprise. Just keep in mind that only 10% of for sale by owners actually sell.
Let's get together and see if we're a good match. No obligations.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.